So in this YouTube tutorial, we will explore an iterative statement breaking down its code functionality and purpose. Whether you are a beginner seeking clarity or fundamental programming concept or an experienced coding exploring a new language features, so this tutorial aims to redefine the heretics of provided code. So join us. We delve into the logic, discuss key components, and provide insight on how this code can be applied in real-world scenarios. Whether you're here to deepen your understanding or looking for practical insight, so let's embark our journey and let's code together. So what is iterative statement? So this is a programming construct that allows executing a specific block of code repeatedly. So based on a certain condition, so it is commonly used in loops where the code is repeatedly until a specified condition is met. So this repetition enables the automation and efficiency of tasks in software development. While loop. So while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code in a known number of times until a condition is met. So here are the codes. So in here in the first in this line, so public class while loop. So this line declare a class name which is the main container for the Java in this, and this you have the public static void. This line defines the main method that point of the Java program, and this that declares an integer. That variable is an a and it deals with the value of 1, and then this while that start with while loop that continues executing the code inside the block as long as the condition is true. So in this system that out that pin high, so it pins the high to the console. So in this that increments the value of the variable a by 1. So when we run this code, no, mistake. So as you can see, we have a 5 high because we put 5 in here. You can also put 10 and 15. Okay, and there. So do while loop. So the while loop is a variant of the while loop. So this loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So here are the example of the while loop. So in the first, the public class. So that is our container do while loop, public class do while loop. So public void static, public static void. So that's defined as the main method of the program. So this in the third line that declares the integer that variable is an a and initialize the value with 0. And then this do that initiate do while loop that ensuring the code inside the block is execute at least once before checking the loop condition. And then also this system out that printed high. You can see that in the console, and also this is important, so that increment the value of the variable a by 1. And then this while that sets the loop condition that indicate that loop should continue as long as the value of a is less than 3. So when we run the code, yes, that's it, 3 high because we put 3 in here. but you can also customize it. Put 5 around there. You can also change the variable. Okay. I also this there. So our last is the for loop. So for loops are handy if you want to run same code over and over again. So each time with different values. So again, this is case with working with arrays. So as you can see, these are the example code of for loop. So just go to reset. For loops is this public class for loops that declare name for loop that serve as the main container. And then the second line is the public static void main string that defines the main method. And this is the for int, the third line that check the a for loop that declaring an integer with variable a and initializing into 0. So the loop continue as long as a is less than or equal to 3 and incrementing a by 1 in each iteration. So this system data to print a, so it prints the current value of a, so the console each iteration of the loop. So when we run this code, yes, as you can see, 0 because 0 and 3, 1 0 because we start in 0 and we and 3 in this. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope the explanation has sheds light on the featured code, empowering you with deeper understanding of its mechanics. And remember, coding is not about writing lines of text. So it's also a creative problem solving endeavor. If you have found this tutorial helpful, solving endeavor helpful, feel free to like and share and subscribe for more content. And whether you are the path of mastering programming or simply exploring world of code, your curiosity and engagement are key. So stay tuned for more tutorials and happy coding.